Samahan niyo ako. Ihatid to. Sayawin mo yung high cortisol. Sige, gagawin ko yan. Samahan niyo ako. Ihatid ko to kay Madam Baby. You may ask kung sino si Madam Baby? Si Ate Miyaka. Siya ang aking Madam Baby. Hahatid ko muna itong ka. Uy! Ginulat mo ako, bye-bye, Ate Elijah. Ingat po. Nagulat ako. Oh my God. Nagulat ako. Wait lang. Hindi kasi nagala sa Ate Elijah eh. Hindi kasi siya umiimik. Eh, syempre may ako, wake up ako, nakaganon ako, diba? Pag ganon ko, uy! Ayoko na, nagulat ako. Gulat ako dun, Box. Manggugulat si Ate Elijah. Nag-screenshot. Whatever. Dito yan. Eh. Gulat ako, men. Hindi ka na. Piri. Hindi ka na. Hello, Kuya JL. Wait lang. Wait. Gala na naman. Hindi po, ate. Wala po akong pera, coach. Dito lang po ako nakatambay. Ang aesthetic naman ng room mo. Hindi ko to room. Kaila Ate Elijah tsaka Ate Miyaka to. This is not my room, guys. Grabe yung gulat ko, Box. Yan yung condo mo. Hindi po, ate. Hindi ko to room, guys. Kaila Ate Miyaka to tsaka Ate... May condo ka, diba? Girl, I wish may condo ko. Pero wala. Mahal. It's so mahal though. Nasaan mommy at daddy mo? Bakit mo ba tinatanong kung nasaan yung mommy at daddy ko? Mommy and daddy ko nasa province. 20k daw rent. 20k? Studio lang yan. 20k above lahat ng dito, halos lang condominium, guys. Meron 16, 18 nasa Makati. Kaso, parang tag dito, paswertehan na lang kung matimingan nyo ganun. Nagmura daw yung iba. Only child ka lang. No po, 3 kaming magkakapatid. Ako yung middle child. And sa aming 3, ako ang hindi ma-perme na bata. Tingnan nyo ba naman, umabot ng Manila mag-isa. Kasi hindi ako ma-perme. Mga middle child talaga. Kanino ka lang? Eto. Lapit. Dito ka. Bilis! Bilis, boy! Kanino ka lang, ha? I see, ano ba work ng mommy and daddy mo? They both work for government doon sa city namin. Ba't yung tinatanong? Julius ang Galawan na, oo nga eh. Wala guys eh, ganito talaga kaming mga middle child. Suntukan, hello Heartless. Wala kayong magagawa, ganito talaga kaming mga middle child. For me ha, sa case ko, mas prefer kong malayo sa fam ko. Mas prefer kong mag-explore mag-isa. I-explore yung world. I-conquer yung world mag-isa. You know, like... hinahayaan naman nila ako. Kasi hindi din naman ako humihingi sa kanila. So, you know... Kasi hindi rin naman ako humihingi sa kanila. So, hinahayaan nila.
She a fashion killer, and I'm a trendy nigga. I said her pistol go. Her pistol go.
Yung...
I said her pistol go.
Wait. Buti hindi ka pinagalitan. Okay, wait.
Swagging to the max. My bitch a fashion killer. She be busy popping tags. She got a lot of Prada. That Dolce and
At first, ayaw talaga nila sa idea of me coming to Manila alone. Nag-open ba ako ng trauma? Hey, don't worry about it, girl. Wait. Ilan mansion mo, ate? 8, kasi 8 yung favorite number ko. For me naman, in my case, alam nyo guys, it just depends on paano nyo i-break yung cycle. Kung gusto yung lumabas sa poder ng parents nyo, you can. Tapangan mo lang talaga, panindigan mo lang talaga din yung decision mo, ganun lang. Tapangan mo lang. But if you're not paano ba? If you're not eight para 8. At first talaga guys, my parents, my whole relatives were against the idea of me coming to Manila alone. Kasi yung ticket ko, I was sponsored by Sir Brian. And I came here with zero, like wala talaga lahat. Money, connections, zero knowledge about the whole city. So that's why they were like, you know, kaka 19 mo pa lang, ganun. So, which is normal naman. It's normal to worry, but I came here with a dream. And a determination to make my dream come true, ganun. Kaano-ano mo si Sarina? She's my ka-gen po. I was determined. Kasi ayoko talagang kinokontrol ako. Ayoko nang kinukuhan. Like, kinukuha sa akin yung freedom ko. Ayoko nang ganyan. Inaway ko talaga yung parents ko. Naging pasaway. I'm gonna admit, guys, naging pasaway ako. Naging pasaway ako sa parents ko. You know, normal teenage thing. Pero me talaga, pag pinakailaman mo talaga yung freedom ko, out ka talaga sa akin. Ewan ko, I feel more peace when I'm away from home, ganun. Pero I prefer to, you know, to explore and surround myself with new people, you know. Parehas tayo, Ri. But, I don't suggest, guys, na gayahin nyo yung ginawa ko, okay? Wag. Kasi, I'm not saying na hindi kayo, what? Hindi kayo swerte, hindi kayo ganyan-ganyan, pero, hindi lahat kasi, alam niyo yun, hindi lahat mananalo. Kumbaga. Hello, sunset. Hindi lahat mananalo, yun lang. Yung sa akin kasi, sa case ko naman, lahat sinugal ko, pag-aaral ko, safety ko, lahat, literal na lahat talaga. Yeah, ginambol ko lahat. Without knowing, without kung makakapasok ba ako ng MNL, maging member ba ako, ganyan. Magiging worth it ba tong pag-stop ko ng school for this? Kasi syempre, mag-ano na sana ako, magsa-second year na sana ako. But, I don't recommend doing this, okay? Huwag niyo akong gayahin. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang, paano ba, may kanya-kanyang ganap sa buhay. It's not recommended. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm trying to say, Gamer Zone. Putete, okay lang yan. Mag-ipon ka while you're at it. And then if tingin mo kaya mo na i-juggle both school and work, why not try ulit, diba? Okay lang yan. Life is not a race. O, guys, hindi karera ang buhay, guys. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang path, may kanya-kanyang flow sa buhay. Pero 19 na ako. Same lang tayo, girl. 19 pa lang din ako. Alam nyo, etong idol, this is still considered a work pa din, guys. Pero magkaibang ano lang. So, yun yung gagawin ko while I'm still at it. In-stop ko, diba? Mag-iipon ako while I'm still doing this. And if tingin ko kaya ko na i-juggle, babalik ako. Syempre, solid foundation mo yung, education eh. So, hindi mo yan pwedeng baliwala. not saying na education school ang magpapayaman sa'yo. Education is just gonna give you a very mababaw na insight of life. Basically, it just gives you knowledge and things and not about generally the whole life. Parang stepping stone, yeah. Stepping stone mo lang siya. That's why wag niyong pabayaan. No matter anong edad nyo na. Madami naman dyan no, yung mga yung mga nag-i-school pa rin kahit anong edad na. May mga anak na, may apo na. 'Di ba? Kasi it's not a race, guys. It shouldn't be a race. Pero pag kukunin ka ni Lord, edi joke lang. Ang dark naman ng humor ko, sorry. Ah! Sorry. Lumalabas yung dark humor ko, sorry. Hindi. Pero in all honesty, life is not a race, guys. Pero pag kukunin ka talaga ni Lord, syempre wala kayong magagawa, diba? Anong kakausapin mo si Lord? Sabihin mo, wag muna Lord kasi hindi pa ako nanalo sa karera ng buhay ko. Ganun. Hindi. Hello, Playboy. Paano makamove on, te? Paano makamove on? Start doing things you love. Go out more. Engage with new people. Meet new people. Try new things. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo dati, balik ka dun. Pero kung bad yan, wag. Yun. Reconnect with people. Ganun talaga, guys. I'm not joking. Kung time mo na, time mo na. I'm not joking talaga. Kasi wala tayong control. Can you share your thoughts about politics? I'd love to answer my stand on that, but unfortunately we can't. I'm sorry. Ano masasabi mo sa World War III? Wait lang, magme-makeup pa ako. Kalmahan nyo lang. Hello, Patty. Anong tapos ano pang bayad mo? Huwag muna kayong mag World War 3, guys. Hindi ko pa nabili yung dream car ko. Hindi ko pa na-spoil yung parents ko, yung kapatid ko. Hindi ko pa na-spoil yung sarili ko. Huwag muna. Sige, kaya mo yan, potato. Ready for world peace. Magla-live ka pa rin pag World. Uy! Ano Kuya Kebs? Envy ako. Ata Kuya Kebs. Wala lumalabas dito. Huwag mo na World War 3, uy. Tap, 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 tap. Quick live ba yung 3 hours? O sige, mag-end na ako. Bye-bye. Kasi may gagawin din ako. Wala pa akong items, di pa ako nakakapag-farm. Tama, Kuya Kebs. Tatanong lang tampo agad. Wala na, mag-e-end na ako. Mag-3 ka. Malulungkot ako. Sige lang, malungkot kayo. Pag nag-end tong live, siguro next live ko, mga next month. Suriri. Taba talaga ng utak mo, Suriri. Ako na lang mag-spoil sa'yo. Kaya ko na po sarili ko. Thank you. Hello, Kuya Bran. Ang honest ng reaction. May honest reaction. May subtitle yung mukha eh. Oh, sige, ganito na lang. Oh, para walang subtitle. Okay, you know what it is. I'm the next. Backseat ng long shot. Di po, ate. D-Y-N-O-N. Please sayaw ako, Gil. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, release him. Ano, Kuya Kebs? Trip ata ako ni TikTok. Wala na nga ning Cowens. Envy pa. Kanta ko. Post ka, wag mo na. Whenever you're around, I always seem to smile. And people ask me how, well, you're the reason why I'm. Punta kayo lahat, ganito. Ganito kantahin nyo, ha?
Oo, buksan mo, papasukin ako. Papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasukin mo na. Papasukin mo na. May tsokolating dala. Bigyan mo naman ng pag-asa ang puso ko. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Papasukin ako. bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasukin mo na. Papasukin mo na. May tsokolating dala. Bigyan mo naman ng pag-asa ang puso ko. Buksan mo.
Kayo kasi. Bang trip to. Bad trip. Sige, kantahin nyo ah. Nanonood ako mamaya ng stream eh. Foxys tsaka Oniriris. Nanonood ako mamaya. Kantahin nyo ha. Ano ba? After ng stream or before stream?
Na ito ang iyong gusto.
Ba't biglang relapse? Gusto ko yung song.
Ito'y lilisan na. Mga ala-ala'y ibabaon. Kalakip ang tamis ng kahapon. Ang gabing di namamalayang oras ay lumilipad. Mga sandaling lumalaya kung saan.
Nag-zoom out na naman.
Don't you see? 'Cause to be honest, I don't care about your tea. I'd rather die than have to listen to you speak. And I'd lie if I don't throw you in the deep, in the deep. I'm so mad to get bored and making moves and cautious. I don't need to be mean, I guess I'm just being honest. I guess I like being cold. You and I both know that sometimes I don't know.
Pakinggan nyo to, maganda to. Guess what, guys? Magi-guess nyo ba or hindi? Siyempre hindi. Magi-guess really.
Man on the road, your dilated eyes, watch the clouds float, white Ferrari.
May song yan eh. May song. Buksan mo ang song mo. Hindi ito. Wag kang...
I let you out, that's true.
Yun na ang song mo. Naangkin mo pa to eh. Akin to eh.
To stay,
Yun na yung sa'yo. Naagaw mo na lahat.
we're both so familiar. White
Alam niyo ba guys? I finally moved out na. Finally moved out. Yay. Diyan ka na sila miyak. And sa... What? Another gastos. I know, right? Hello, Eve. Kila Miyaki's secret.
That was my part of the deal. Honest, we got so
Secret muna kung saan. Kasi baka ma-jinx.
spending each day of the year. White Ferrari,
Baka ma-jinx eh. So,
good times.
Bye-bye, Aki. Basta I'm happy lang kasi wala na ako doon. Yan lang. Yun lang masasabi ko.
One too many years, says to islands on a facelift. Mind over matter is better
Ano, Kuya Vincent?
to magic. If you think of value,
Bakit aray ko? Alam ko, Kuya Ram, of course. I'm happy lang kasi wala na ako doon.
I'm sure we're tall enough.
Oo, Kuya Ram, yung tipong ano, yung tipong nakatitig ka sa mga tala, tapos parang, ano yun, malamig, bukid, tapos eto yung magpa-play.
Oh, buksan mo, papasukin
Diba?
ako.
So emotional. So,
Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto
so
mo
inspired. Ano mo yun? Parang mas lalo kang,
Buksan mo, papasukin
mas lalo kang
mo na.
mawawalan ng will to live.
May tsokolating dala. Bigyan mo naman ng pag-asa ang pusong ko. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Papasukin ako. Bulaklak pa.
Hindi guys, pero
Took a morning ride to the place where you and I were supposed to.
kamusta kayong lahat, everyone? Hello, Sans. Kamusta ang lahat?
Chances I'll step out of line, or who knows? Lately you set up in my mind. Yeah, girl, you and I like that.
Ito, humihinga pa rin. Bakit hindi ka na ba
Lately
makahinga?
I've been thinking that perhaps I am a coward,
Hindi ko na lang ito.
hiding in a disguise of it never getting found. Incompetent steward of our love that speaks with
Ito, may sipon. Alam niyo, okay na sana yung sipon ko. Bumalik.
yesterday was feeling so good.
Hello, hello, Marie.
Feel like that always if I could. Is that wrong?
Okay na sana yung sipon ko, guys. Kaso bumalik.
Tell me about the city.
Wala ako magawa.
Is it high? Does it snow there? Lately I've been thinking of my precarious future. Will you be
Inom ka vitamins. Sinipon ulit ako, Kuya Kebs.
Is it a crime to be unsure? Time it's sustainable. You can't enjoy divine. Might be too good for you. Unattainable.
Gusto mo ba ng maangasang duet? Sige. Gusto ko ng
Don't you see?
maangasang duet. Like, malala.
I don't care about your tea. I'd rather lie than have to listen to you speak.
Ngayon naman,
I'd lie if I don't go
tulungan niyo ako kasi may hanapin ako sa gamit ko.
deep. Cause I'm ready to get bored.
Samahan pala, hindi pala tulungan. Paano yun? Gaganon kayo sa screen. Yan, mga gamit ko. Madami pa. Hi, Yuel. Ayun, Ray, yung hinahanap mo. Nalain, no? Tulungan niyo ako. Paano tulong? Gaganon kayo sa screen. Tulong.
You don't wanna watch me go, you don't wanna watch me go. Cause you're not hanging out kalata. But it was just us. But I got hurt. Baby, we never meant to be. I give it to you. Just like we
Ibabaw po ng aircon. Wait!
love to see it like that. You know I'm a fool. Still want you to like me like that. So now you want me to go. That's why you make me low. I know. And I still got soul.
Magkakalat ako. I'm gonna make kalat, guys. Yan lang, para bahala na yan. Ang gulo, pero let it be. Bahala na yung buhok na yan. Haba na kasi ng buhok ko eh. So, mahaba na. But, wait. Ito si ano.
Passing by your street again, it had me thinking what could have been so good.
Nasa maleta ko yun.
Or maybe I'll just keep pretending.
Wait.
Never knowing when it's
Sa maleta ko ata.
the city lights ain't the same without you. The sky's barely blue now that I'm low. Don't you see?
Ito muna kasi nagpapagana siya sa akin.
Honest, I don't care about your tea. I'd rather die than have to listen to you speak. And I'd lie if I don't call you in the deep, in the deep. I'm somebody got bored. I can mouth cause I'm cautious. I don't mean to be mean. I guess I'm just being honest. I guess I like being cold. You and I both know this. Sometimes I don't go. And I know that you don't know. I like to keep it on the low. Keep it pushing, yeah, I like it. Just wanna know, am I really
Saan ang gala?
coast to coast? No good time, yeah,
May hinahanap ako.
like
Hindi gala. No gala. Wait. Higa ako lang ito.
me blue. You don't wanna watch me go. 그 전에 사랑이 난 달랐다. Thought it was just dollar sign, but I got her. Maybe we never meant to be. I give it to you. It's like we never fell into this. I'm losing to you, but I love to see you like that. You know I'm a fool, still want you to like me like that. So now you want me to go. That's why you name me low. Oh, now I know. And I stood out so let you go.
I like to keep it on the low, keep it pushing, yeah, I like that. I just wanna know, am I really out to fight back? If it goes to coast on my time, yeah, I like that, like that. Oh, I do what I do. I know I do got nothing to prove to you, so I take to you, you a fool. For thinking that I just might be nice to you, don't got nothing to prove. Don't you see? To be honest, I don't care about your teeth. I'd rather die than have you listen to you speak. And I'd lie if I don't throw you in the deep, in the deep. I'm so mad you got bored. I can ride in the cautious. I don't need to be mean, yeah. I guess I'm just being honest. I guess I like being cold.
Charger. Wala naman dito ah. Hindi ko naman dala. Dito na lang kayo. Ayan. Hindi. Doon na lang kayo talaga. Watch me make a mess. Small bag? Wala eh. Wala, bebe.
If you feel lonely, I could be lonely with.
There's nothing here. Oh, sorry.
Iba yung bagong didigayan upang
Wala.
I have this thing where I get older, but just never wiser. Midnights become my afternoons. When my depression walks the
Wala naman sa akin. Ba't ako yung hinahanapan?
I've ghosted stand there in the room. I should not be left to my own devices. They come with prices and vices. I end up in crisis. Feels all this time. I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you're leaving, 'cause you got tired of my scheming. For the last time, it's
Hello, Alvin.
hi, I'm the problem, it's me. At tea.
Oh. Wait. Hanapan serye to. Now we look for it. Hala, nag-start na. Bakit din yun yung sinabi sa akin? Nag-start na pala ang masterpiece. Wala nagsabi. Paano ako makakanood? Yung kalat ko dito. Hinalungkat ko ng buong bahay. May sumilip to. Nahanap ko siya. Ngayon, may ano ako dito. Nunal. Hello, Kuya Mark. Okay. Balik nyo to. Grabe ang kalat. No, now. Sigma girl. Ipamove lala ko to.
Do you think about me every night before you go to sleep? I know you must be terrified.
Wala akong move lalers. Magda-download ako. E di punta ako doon sa coffee shop. Ito na, magliligpit na. Ito na nga ni. Tara, ipapalalamog ko na. Wala pa naman daw storm wolf eh. Wala pa daw eh. So, it's okay. Lalamog.
What do you mean?
Ganun yan.
When you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no. What do you mean? Hey, yeah. When you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go. What do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Says you're running out of time. What do you mean? Oh, 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 what
Yay!
better make up your mind. What do you mean? You're so indecisive. What I'm saying.
Alam niyo ba? Alam niyo yung crump dancing? Nag-ganon ako dati. Yung ganon.
My name is Carrie. I'm so very fly. Oh my, it's a little bit scary.
Yeah, crumping. Nag-crumping ako dati, guys. May video pa ako nun. Nasa old phone ko sa sa GL na phone.
Sweeter than a swisher. Mad 'cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I don't gotta talk about it, baby. You can see it.
Show.
If you want, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie. I'm so
Ganito kasi yung crumping eh. Siyempre, dapat kang mukhang maangas dyan. So, all the time naka-baggy clothes ako, ganito ka. Ganon. Gaganon yan sila eh.
I can talk about it 'cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then baby, sing it with me. All I know, when I walk in, no question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate because I'm beautiful.
Toots. Magliligpit muna ako.
Hey boy, I like the way you talk. I like the way you speak down me on that phone. I like that XG when I hear
Kalat.
you talk. I'm looking at everything, but
Wait.
it's not enough. Say boy, what if I wanna ride? What if I'm in the mood and I need you right now? What if you with your crew and I needed you to bounce? Feel like you should kick it on another night. Oh yeah. Normally I never get this crazy. My reality is all you're lately. All I'm really trying to say right now is, oh, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat. Caught me off the beat like shaking off the streamline. Rocked the boat, knocked me off that way. Oh, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat. Swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off that way. Oh, you came in hot, the way you got me hot. You turn it up a notch, spit up a couple nuts, and up in the
Wait.
wouldn't stop. You got me sweating, Okinawa in the summertime. Who would've thought? Okay, we could take it two ways. Leo work a maid was singing on top of blue waves. I had to look away, but it was too late. I drank the Kool-Aid. I really thought that it was Gucci, maybe it was Kool-Aid. No, my mama would've never let me. Hypothetically, you're mine already. All I'm really trying to say right now is, oh, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat. Caught me off the beat like shaking off the streamline. Rocked the boat, knocked me off that way. Oh, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat. Swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off that way. Oh, you came and
Ano gagawin? Paano ko matatapos?
XO, you playing that game. Back to back, you been calling all day. Back and forth, calling even my friends. Even on text, even on send. Don't trip, boy, give me my space. Obsession was never my thing. Take your time, you should steady your pace. What am I saying? Oh, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat. Caught me off the beat like shaking off the streamline. Rocked the boat, knocked me off that way. Oh, you came and rocked the boat, rocked the boat. Swimming in the deep, wide open in the sea. I'm off the boat, knocked me off that way. Oh, you came and
now.
Tie it up tonight. Lay your head on my pillow. On my pillow. Lay your head on my pillow.
Bigat!
Lay it down, 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 lay it down. On my pillow. Yeah, yeah. You're looking at me, girl, and I ain't talking about the look in your eyes. Need my body lit.
Ang bigat. Wait.
I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music. I would share it, but today I'm killing. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul and you can find out it never hit you. I can feel the changes. I can feel a new life. I always knew life can be dangerous. I can say that I like a challenge.
Is it called Bahing?
You don't know.
Ano
what
ate
it is.
Eddie Meow?
How can I paint this picture when the color
Bahing ba tawag in Tagalog?
Fell on my face and I went with a scar. Another mistake living deep in my heart. Wear it on top of my sleeve in a flick. I can admit that it didn't look like yours. Why you resent me making a fist? Tell me your purpose is petty again. But even a small light that can burn a bridge. Even a small light that can burn a bridge. I can feel the changes. I can feel the new people around me just wanna be famous. You can see them much.
Alis na ako ng ate Eddie Meow. Punta ako Japan, ate Meow.
Dirty looks from your mother. Never seen you in a dress that color. No, it's a special occasion. Not invited, but I'm glad I made it. Oh, let me apologize.
Hatching.
Now make up for all those times.
Yan lang yung buhatin ko.
I wanna lose. Begging you. Wait, can you turn around? Can you turn around? Just wait. Can we work this out? Can we work this out? Just wait. Can you come here, please? 'Cause I wanna be with you. Wait, can you turn around? Can you turn around? Just wait. Can we work this out? Can we work this out? Just wait.
Nakaligpit na. Ito na nga ni.
Can we talk for a moment? Got these feelings that I'm tired of holding on. Wasn't trying to get wasted.
Nagliligpit na nga ni.
3 or 4 to say this, so let me.
Thank you, Puri. Uy, joke lang. Hindi ako magja-Japan. Dito lang ako.
I'm begging you. Wait, can you turn around? Can you turn around? Just wait. Work this out. Can I work this out? Just wait. Can you come here, please? 'Cause I wanna be with you. Wait, can you turn around? Can you turn around? Just wait. Can we work this out? Can we work this out? Just wait. Can you come here, please? 'Cause I wanna be with you.
Wait, can we work this out? I've been thinking out loud all day. Don't let me down, can't live without my babe. You wanna leave, but I think it's easier if you let me be.
Parang si Punch lang.
Me, girl, just think about it.
Gaganto din
I
ako.
know I still think about you, yeah. I know
Ganun
you
ko
get
din
to
si
diamonds, I can tell you everything behind you. But I'm like,
Can you turn around? Can you turn around? Just wait. Can we work this out?
Si Cruel nandoon.
Just wait. Can you come here, please? 'Cause I wanna be with you. Wait.
Cute yun, diba? Cuddle buddy ko in bed. Wait. Let me just... Ba't ako hinihingal? Hindi ko din alam. Magliligpit na talaga. Ito na.
Nigga better turn me, yeah, nigga better turn me, yeah, nigga better turn me up, nigga better turn me up, nigga better turn me up.
Ano ulit name yan?
Nigga better turn me up,
Hindi pa siya na-name eh.
nigga better turn me up,
Hello, te. Si Mia ka. Sino ka? Arm!
Jumping on one that you never seen. He got bulletproof glass in the center screen. Let me guess, it cost you like 100,000. No little bitch, it cost 7 million. Just doing what you do in your dreams. I fuck your bitch pussy Vaseline. These bitches always want to capture me. Hating ass nigga turn me to me. Fuck all your bitches like 10 to me. On the real, it was just me and me. You don't know how tall your girlfriend is. When we saw her, she was already up. I cannot get tired of money, but this money able to people right in the greed. I know he's sick of my money, cause every time he calls, he does that. Confidence in my life, right? Watch this, these niggas broke boys, watch this, these niggas broke boys, watch this. I can make the whole crowd watch this, I can make it bitch one stop, watch this, I can make it bitch one stop, I ain't even trying no sauce, pop, I stay with a whole lot, confidence in my life, right? Watch this, these niggas broke boys, watch this, these niggas broke boys, watch this, I can make the whole crowd watch this, I can make it bitch one stop,
Mag-ano pa ako? Magpa-move lala.
I ain't even trying no sauce, pop, I stay with a whole lot, slow, she stop.
Eh di gastos na naman.
Listen to this track, bitch.
the way you move it, got me in a trance. DJ tell me ladies get so jam. I'm a superstar, you gon' move the fast. I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. Girl, drop it to the floor, we got to the ground. All I wanna do is sit back and watch you move it over, see the boys go.
Lala mo.
Roscoe speed. Long hair, she don't care. When she walks, she gets there. Brown skin or a yellow ball. DJ, this my favorite song, so I'ma make it thunderstorm. Pull it, want it, pop the hell. Blow it, fuck it, I don't care. Dresses flying everywhere. Got my partner Roscoe like, bro, I'm drunk as hell. Can't you tell? You said me better than 50 steps so fucking well. I'm trying to hit the hotel with 2 girls. That's my girl. Take this dick when I swallow. Baby, Moscato got no freaky. Hey, you got me in the trance. You said dump your pants. Push pop on the hands. Then you got me sweating. Please let me a back down.
The way you move it, got me in a trance. DJ tell me ladies get so jam. I'm a superstar, you gon' move the fast. I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. Girl, drop it to the floor, we got to the ground. All I wanna do is sit back and watch you move it over, see the boys go.
She said, lick my no hands. She said, lick my no hands and no darling. I don't dance and I'm with Roscoe. I'm with Rocker. I think I deserve a chance. I'm a bad motherfucker. Going at some motherfuckers. A young handsome motherfucker. I sling that wood. I just nunchuck them. And who you with? And what's your name? And you not here, boo. I'm Wale. And that DC shit I rap all day. And my eyes red cause of all that hate. Don't blow my high. Let me shine.
TikTok ko ba yan?
Nigga want beef. We can check it outside.
Yes or
These hoes ain't mine, you out your mind, you out your lead. I sweat no bitches, I sweat out weeds. Wear out tracks, let me do my thing. I got 16 for this Roscoe thing, but I'm almost done, let me get back to it. Whole lot of loud and a little backwood. Whole lot of money, big tip I would. I put her on the train.
Ooh, baby boy wildin' with this one.
I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. I'm so ATLANTAGA, bitch, fuck the rest. Fuck them one time, now he going to get me tatted on his neck. I don't play by
Eto na, magliligpit na nga niyong tao.
He can always call my phone, but bitch, he better not call collect. And I'm like, I'm so ATL, always been about a bag. And you know I'm fine as hell. True religion on my ass. Jimmy Choo, that be my style. Bitches claiming she the hardest, but that's me, so I can't tell. And I'm like, let's go. I'm so AT. Fuck around and call me an AP. New nigga, new bag, new day, please. He be getting bitches, but I be getting bitches and niggas, so that shit don't
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
If you ain't talking about the money, so I'm rich, I'm a thug. Get the fuck out my face, please. And I'm like, I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. And I'm like, I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL.
Wala na. Nakabaliw dito.
I'm so ATL. From the A, so you know how we rockin' now, but you'll never catch me eating out the house. And if it's so tight, then it's so tight. Bitch,
Hi.
about bitches ain't never get money. Always a mess. Tell her come get all the paperwork. I will not be about no dick. Feel like that. Tell her come see what the hype about. Like, just pull up on me. And if it's smoke, just
Lock in, lock in.
投票めききらめきと君も
Ay, sorry. Lock in pala. Sorry.
刻む針も入り浸った散らかる部屋も変わらないね思い出しては二人年を重ねてたまた止まった落とす針をよく流した聞き飽きるほど変わらないね変わらないでいられたのは君だけが無駄話ではぐらかして触れた先をためらうように足踏みしてずれた針をよそに揃い始めてた息がとってもいいような夜だけどどよめききらめきと君もとってもいいような夜だけど
Alam ko na, no? Wala, asaan pala yung remote ko? Wag na. Wag na. Mamaya na lang. Ulit ko ba?
Para sa'yo, ano bang
Sorry, napindot. Sensya na po.
You make me feel like 11. Kasi ngayon ako ay magaling. Wala man na pera, kahit na ano man gawin. Huwag ka naman kailangan ng reason. Kaya para namin yung kasi ngayon
TikTok na siya.
kasi
Wait lang. Nilinis pala ako. Joke lang. Lalamog pa pala ako.
Gusto ko lang naman mausap ka eh. You know, I just want to talk.
Swiftly on the beat. Panty droppers.
Halos 5 oras na akong nag-aantay sa'yo. Nag-aabang ako sa labas ng bahay nyo.
Wala na?
Sibat ng sibat kung sisilip ka ba sa bintana. Magpakita kay parang di yata. Ilang beses ka na, lagi na lang ganyan. Kung iwasan ako'y parang ayaw akong nandyan. Sa susunod na punta ko'y pabuksan mo na sana. Kasi kahit anong mangyari ay di ako mawawala ng pag-asa. Ayaw kitang pilitin kung di ka pa handa. Sa susunod na lang, sa susunod na lang. Ayaw ko na bibitin, kaya mabuti pang uuwi na lang. Sa susunod na lang.
Puyat na ako kakapaalala. Kumain at mag-ingat kung sakaling mag-gala ka. Lagi sinisipat ang imahe ng dalaga na pangarap makasama ko sa hirap at ginhawa. Typical na dahilan ng tagahamo.
mamaya,
Hindi
clear
naghahanap ng iba kahit na nababatong. Naghihintay sa iyong sagot sa akin mga tinatanong. Habang ang pamantayan mo ay pilit kong tinatalon. Kasi alam ko na hindi ka pa handa. May gusto kong makita pa sa akin at madama. Kaya eto
Nahanap kasi ako ng susuotin ko mamaya.
ngayon ayos lang kasi may bukas pa. Di na uubos yun kaya kahit kumukulot na ang nakukuwi sa alon natin ay sumusunod na lang. Susuyuin ka kahit hindi mo pa mapunuan yung ikaw sa salitang tayo ayos lang. Sa susunod na lang.
Ayaw kitang pilitin kung di ka pa handa. Sa susunod na lang, sa susunod na lang. Ayaw ko na bibitin, kaya mabuti ang uuwi na lang. Sa susunod na lang. Ayaw kitang pilitin, di ka pa handa.
Sige, mag-end live na pala ako, Kuya Gamer. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Joke lang. Joke lang. Love ko kayo eh.
Kanina pa ikaw hinihintay. Huwag
Kakakuha ko lang nun kahapon eh.
I don't know why I'm being shy. Intention ka ang puso ko ay mapalagay. I saw your eyes, I can't deny. Kinikilig at pipigil ng ngiti ang may. Bakang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ikaw ang hanap-hanap ko? Tinamaan na yata ako. Ang isip ko ngayon nalilito. I can love you all day long. Di na kayang mawala sa'yo. Ikaw ang aking gusto. 'Cause I'm addicted to you. You're my morning view.
Hi, tita. Nagliligpit ako, tita. Inaayos ko yung gamit ko.
Got the flavor, got my heart on freeze. 'Cause you're the prince of my brain, from beginning to end. Cruising through the city like a dream to me. Kung naman matagas ang hinig, humanap ang daan at tumakbong matulin. Kapag pa ba ang kahilan, sino ba ang may alam na nanginig? Kinikilig sa'yo manatitig. Oh, please stop looking at me. I think I'll fall in harshly, just like iced coffee, baby. You're keeping me awake and happy. I can love you all day long. Di na kayang mawala sa'yo. Ikaw lang ang aking gusto. 'Cause I'm addicted to you.
Hi, Kuya Zan.
What's your coffee? Caramel macchiato, ice americano, latte on espresso, mocha affogato. You're my morning view. Cool and spit this brew.
Ay na po. Isa lang ba, tita? Isa lang yun.